Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to a new analysis on Pol, or should we still call it MATIC? Because MATIC has actually changed to the Pol token, or at least it's not official yet, but it will probably be official. I mean, DAO governance right now is still in a lot of occasions still a joke, where basically every proposal that's pushed by the team is actually passed as well. But we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the news. We'll talk about what happened yesterday with XRP and what that means for MATIC. Basically, I'll tell you everything you need to know, in my opinion, all right? So that you are optimally informed and prepared for everything that could happen with MATIC. And yeah, that you have a little bit of a feeling of what's going on, which is amazing. You have to have that while investing in cryptocurrencies. It gives you stability and it gives you some sort of a sense that you know what you're doing, which is amazing in investing. So that's what we'll do. Now, before we dive into MATIC specifically, though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions to the group and how to join. I'm a profitable and full-time trader, so if you want to join that, check it out. But now onto MATIC. So we'll do a full technical analysis, but first we'll start off with a big fundamental analysis. So what happened yesterday? It's big news coming from MATIC. I think it actually was yesterday, but they're introducing a new token. Well, not necessarily a new token, but it's like a snapshot. We'll have the Pol token, which is a different token. This is actually not it. It's actually a different token from, where is it? Did they delete it or anything? I'm not sure, but it's not here anymore. That's a shame, because I actually cannot believe it. But what they announced is a new token, a Pol token, which is going to replace MATIC, and I'm not sure why I cannot find it now, but it's going to replace MATIC, and it's going to be a better token. It's going to be better for validators. It will allow holders to do more, so that's great. Development is always great. A new token is even more amazing. Usually the community and the markets like that a lot. So fundamentally, MATIC, at least until the distribution of the new token, which will happen automatically, by the way, unless you're on certain exchanges, but I think all exchanges will support it. But yeah, so that's always great news. Apart from that, XRP had a major breakthrough in a lawsuit yesterday, as most of you know, which is also good news for MATIC, because MATIC is in a bit of a struggle with the SEC as well. Now, does the win of XRP mean that MATIC is also not a security? No, but it's still a good sign. All right, so that's the current situation and why we are this bullish. So now onto the technicals, and given those fundamentals, I would actually say that we are still bullish right now fundamentally. Given the technicals, what you'll see is that we had some sort of a very weird, it's not really, like, this is not really correct, but we had some sort of an Elliott wave right here, some impulse waves, bit of a correction, and then I do think that this is an ideal Elliott wave scenario. Like, we had that first wave, pretty big pullback with that second wave, pretty big third wave, and then a huge fifth wave. And I think we're at the end of that right now. We have peaked out and we have already not been above that top for the last 12 hours or so. So now, usually what happens is some sort of a correction, right? So what you would expect is some sort of a correction, perhaps like this. So now the big question is will the Elliott wave theory actually play out here? Because it doesn't always play out. And MATIC itself, like, what we have done is our major bullish breakout is that we've broken above 82 and 84 cents. We've broken above that, and ever since we have been holding it. So I would say purely technically, it still looks most likely that we're bullish and that we're going up to 90 and 94 cents. That really looks most likely at this point of time. I'm just going to be honest, if I take a look at the technicals only, fueled with the fundamentals, this looks most likely. However, my mind is telling me that something else is possible as well, and that's mainly because Bitcoin actually had a bearish breakout. It broke through 31,300, so now we're getting some bullish momentum, but that will probably turn into a break retest and bearish momentum. Probably, it's not sure, but probably. And like I said, MATIC is also bound to have some sort of a correction. So even though right now we still look very, very bullish, and even though I would say that moving up to 92 and 93 cents looks most likely, I think it's a little bit more likely, like 5% more likely, that we will actually from here drop down below to 82 cents. And once we have actually had that bearish breakout below our current support level at 84, 85 cents, then it's also quite likely that we will drop down to this level right here at 78 cents to get some sort of an ABC correction. And then from there, we'll see whether we can get a new impulse wave getting us up to 95 cents. So I think this is a bit more likely. Unfortunately, most of you know I love MATIC. You can also see in my transparent crypto portfolio, which you can see right here, that I hold quite a bit of MATIC right here, or at least I hold more than this, but this is in my visible portfolio. So yeah, not necessarily what I hope, but I do think this is most likely. So that's my full take on MATIC. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.